Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Shark UltraCyclone handheld vacuum cleaner. I bought it from Target today for about $64 including tax, and I also got the 2-year warranty, which is $8, which isn't too bad. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. My first time buying a handheld vacuum. I was hoping to find one I could use for my car and for just little stuff around my apartment. And the reviews were pretty good online too, so that's why I decided to get this one. First of all, I love the color of the vacuum. It's really pretty green. So far the size is pretty good, not too heavy. Something I could keep in my car or just whip out really quick for a small mess. Here's what it looks like. On this side, it has a little button with a trash can on it, so I'm guessing this is the button to open the compartment to dump out your trash. Okay, that's what it looks like inside. Okay, to be honest, I am very confused. Looks like it's a little hole here. I'm guessing it's where maybe a charging port. So let me check the box and see if there's a port in there. Alright, so found the little accessories. Here's the cord. And this looks like a nozzle to concentrate the air. A little brush. Alright, so, oh wow, so apparently it seems like it's good to go. I just took it straight out the box. I didn't even charge it or anything, and it's on. Wow, okay. So that's pretty neat. I can use it right away, straight from the box. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum some stuff out and see how it goes. I'll give this vacuum a 9 out of 10. It was very easy to use, did pretty well picking up the dirt on the rug as well as the wooden floors. The only thing that I didn't like about it is that the dirt would go to the back of the vacuum compartment. So sometimes, I've tried it on different materials too, vacuuming up different materials and dirt and whatnot. And sometimes the dirt will go behind the two round thumbtack looking things. And I had to use my fingers to pick it out, which was pretty gross at times. But other than that, it was a pretty good vacuum. And I also registered for the warranty on the website. It was a pretty easy process, so I would recommend if you're getting the warranty, which as I mentioned earlier, for me it was $8 for a 2-year warranty. It was a pretty easy process. I'll recommend taking pictures of the receipt as soon as you buy the vacuum so you can upload it to your account on the website and enter the information that the website requests. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Also turn on your post notifications for more content. As soon as they upload, then you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you.